If you want crystal clear evidence, smarter safety features, and the best tech for 2025, then you're in the right place. These are the top 5 best dash cams you can buy right now. Please watch the full video to know which dash cam is the best, because number 1 may surprise you. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best dash cams based on real performance, user reviews, night vision quality, smart features, and overall value for your money. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. ROVE R2 to 4K. Starting off at number 5, the ROVE R2 to 4K is a compact but powerful dashcam designed for drivers who want simple installation with premium video quality. Product info. Records in UHD 2160p. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 plus GPS. 150 degrees wide-angle lens. WDR and enhanced night vision. 2.4-inch IPS screen. Product reviews. Users praise this model for offering outstanding clarity for the price. Many mention its GPS accuracy and how quickly the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity transfers footage to their phones. Pros. Excellent video clarity for daytime and nighttime. Super fast Wi-Fi 6 app transfer. Reliable GPS data logging. Affordable while still offering 4K. This model is perfect for everyday drivers who want premium clarity without a premium price tag. Number 4. ROVE R2 to 4K Dual. In the number 4 spot, the ROVE R2 to 4K Dual takes everything from the previous model and adds full front and rear protection. Product info. 4K front plus Full HD rear recordings. STARVIS 2 premium sensor. Free 128GB memory card included. 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 MB per second transfer. 3-inch IPS display. 24-hour parking mode. Product reviews. Owners love the included 128GB card and mention that the STARVIS 2 sensor makes a noticeable difference in low light performance. App connectivity is also extremely fast thanks to 5G Wi-Fi. Pros. Includes free 128GB card. Great low light performance with STARVIS 2. Fast 5G Wi-Fi downloads. Reliable front plus rear coverage. This is a great choice if you want complete 2-channel coverage with excellent image quality and storage included. Number 3. VIOFO A229. VIOFO is well known for its image quality, and the A229 Pro is no exception. Product info. 4K front plus 2K rear. Dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 IMX675 sensors. 5G HZ, Wi-Fi plus built-in GPS. HDR plus night vision 2.0. Supports up to 512 GB. Product reviews. Users say this camera delivers some of the best night footage available at this price point. HDR stabilization also performs extremely well in bright sunlight or fast-changing lighting conditions. Pros. Exceptional HDR night performance. High-resolution 4K plus 2K setup. Strong heat resistance. Very reliable parking mode. If clarity and night performance are your top priorities, this VIOFO model is a standout. Number 2. Vantrue N5s. At number 2, we have one of the most advanced dash cams of 2025. Product info. 360-degree coverage with 4 cameras. 2.7K, front plus 1440p plus dual 1080p. STARVIS 2 sensor plus IR night vision. Voice control plus GPS. 24-hour parking protection. Supports up to 1 TB storage. Product reviews. Customers who use rideshare services love the full 360-degree protection, especially the interior IR camera. Many say that this model provides some of the clearest low-light interior footage on the market. Pros. True full coverage recording. Excellent IR night vision for inside the car. Supports massive 1 TB storage. Highly responsive voice control. This dash cam is ideal for Uber, Lyft, taxi drivers, and anyone who wants complete 360-degree monitoring. Number 1. 70mm 4K T800. Finally, our number 1 pick and the best dash cam of 2025 is the 70mm T800 3-channel dash cam. Product info. 4K front plus 4K interior plus 1080p rear. Triple Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors. HDR night vision. Includes 512 GB storage. Wi-Fi 6 plus 4G LTE remote monitoring. ADAS driving assistance. 24-hour smart parking mode. Product reviews. Drivers report exceptional clarity across all 3 cameras. The built-in 4G LTE allows real-time alerts and remote viewing directly from your phone, which many users say offers unmatched security and peace of mind. Pros: triple channel, 4K clarity. Remote monitoring with 4G LTE. Includes 512 GB storage. Advanced ADAS safety system. Best overall night and day performance. This is the most feature-rich, best-performing dashcam on the list, making it the top choice for 2025. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. As promised, the best dashcam is the 70mm 4K T800 for its unbeatable combination of triple-channel 4K clarity, premium STARVIS 2 sensors, LTE remote monitoring, and massive included storage. If you want the best protection, this is the one to get. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.